Good morning. So happy my voice is coming back slowly but surely. I just wanted to let you guys know I'm going to do another work video. It's not going to be very long because the weather does not look like it's going to cooperate, so we'll see. But at least more cleanup. So that's what my focus is going to be. Don't want to overdo it, so you guys already know the drill. Anyways, stay tuned for what's coming up next. Thanks. Hi there. So, okay, I'm cutting it short. I'm stopping what I have been doing so far because it's already starting to drizzle and the sky's pretty dark. So I don't want to take a chance. I don't like my stuff getting wet. So I have already shown you what I've worked on. I should have thought about this a little clearer because the beginning part of the driveway area needs maintenance and I forgot about it. So anyways, I'll probably tackle it tomorrow. But overall, I'm very happy that I got something else done today. So 2 days in a row, yay. Anyways, I will keep you guys posted on any further work being done on the property. So stay safe, and again, thank you for watching. I will keep you all posted. Thank you.